Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do skincare, how we go from this to there.
Ready to go to bed.
Pretty much, yeah, ready to go to bed. So this is going to be makeup remover and skin routine.
Oh yeah, you put that on first, did you?
First I'm going to tie my hair up.
I'll just...
Or in Kelly's case, you just tuck your hair behind your ears.
Yeah.
So we're going to use the K.C.B double cleanse. So we don't actually have a sink in our bedroom, so we're using a bowl full of water. So next I'm going to go into the cream cleanser. Next we're going to use the K.C.B Glow Peel pads. And this is going to be left on for 2 to 3 minutes. So now we're going to wash the glow pads off with cooling water to neutralise the mask. Next is toner. So we're going to use witch hazel as toner.
Using this one edge. Stop saying that.
And I am using the Beauty Pro CBD infused sheet mask. Oh, that is a weird smell. I know that smell and I like that smell, but it's a weird smell. I'm trying to look at oh. Do you know, I hate putting these on sometimes.
I'm gonna look like a retard.
I think they're cold and oh, that feels so good on the skin.
Wait, so I'm getting it all right. Oh, I'm going over. I can taste it.
Well, you're not supposed to be eating it.
I'm not. I just can taste for a hot sec.
So we're going to leave these for 15 minutes. Right, and now it's time to peel.
Can you see it, Joyce?
Oh.
No.
No, it's not one of
There you
these.
go. Oh, look, you can see where I was crying.
No, just rub it in. And then fan down. Like, you move further and further off camera, I tell you.
I don't mean to.
So next is serums. I'm going to use the Mud Masky Aftermath Vitamin Serum. And Kelly is using the Revolution 2% Hyaluronic Acid. You do moisturizer. I'm going to use this Advent Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater and Sweet Almond. It's a hyaluronic face and eye night cream. We like a bit of eye cream, but this is what I'm using for eyes. This is just this stuff makes me feel as smooth as a baby's butt.
Oh yeah.
And do you do eye cream, Killer?
Knowledge. Keep getting a black streak down my face. It's not good. Is that really right left?
Use this. I'll take it off.
Now face is all good. Now we're ready to go biddage. My lips full moisturised.
Right, so for moisturiser we use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturiser to help prevent spots and blemishes.
Currently don't have no spots except on this one, which is
Broken out severely. I have stressful skin. But that is it. That is our nighttime routine. Now it's time to go to bed because it is like 3:30 in the morning.
It is
3:45.
It is 3:41 in the morning.